Question number 5 here says, which ordered pair is not a point on the graph of y equals x minus 7? Got 4 options here. The keyword in this little sentence is not. So which ordered pair is not a point on the graph of y equals x minus 7? This will make a graph. In particular, it will make a line. I don't know what the line looks like in particular, but you have an infinite number of ordered pairs that fit on this line. However, some ordered pairs will not be on the line, and therefore will not fit into that function. So if the ordered pair is not on the line, then it will not fit into this function. What that means is, if I plug in the input, so for example A, where the input is 1, put 1 in here. 1 minus 7, 1 negative, or 1 take away 7 is negative 6. Look at the ordered pair here. Is that negative 6? No. So it should be negative 6, but it's not. Therefore, A is not going to be a point on the line, and that would be your answer here. Now, if that's the answer, that must mean that all 3 of these are points on my line. So let's go ahead and plug these in. When we plug these in, they should work out. So let's see. Input 2. So for input 2, 2 minus 7, negative 5. Correct. Let's input negative 1 now. Negative 1, input right here. Negative 1 minus 7 is negative 8. And finally, input negative 4. Negative 4, subtract 7, and that is negative 11. So you see how all of these check out because these are points on the line. However, this one is not because it does not fit into that function. We know it should be negative 6, however it says positive 6. One more thing I want to point out with you here. As far as the subtraction goes here, this minus 4, when we plug a negative 4, negative 4 minus 7, if you think of your number line as a vertical number line, when you go down, when you subtract a number, you go further down the number line into a larger negative, which of course is a smaller number. So if you're at negative 4, let's say negative 4 is right here, and you subtract 7, that takes you down to negative 11. Okay.